Hi, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I'm going to talk about 7 career options or 7 jobs that can be done by a college graduate. When I talk about graduates, I'm talking about all the graduates, BA, BSc, BCom, BTech students also. All these people, once they have completed their graduation, once they have completed their degree, most of them will be in a dilemma. What to do, what next? This is a very commonly raised questions between all these students. Now in this video, you will get a clear idea that what are the other options, what are the job options that you can try and you can secure your future. Now, there may be a lot of people who will have concern with the content of this video. For all those people, I have created a disclaimer that I have added in the end of this video. So watch the video till the end. Now, in this, these 7 job opportunities or career options are randomly placed. I won't say this is the first one, this is the second. It is not ranked in that way. All the career options are randomly placed. Now, in this list, the first career option or job option I put in front of you is IT jobs. When I talk about IT jobs, computer engineers, software engineers, database administrators, IT security specialist, system engineer, network engineer, all these people come under. Now, for joining the IT industry or to grab that IT job, you have to learn some technical skill. You have to learn some skill that is required or that is that the company is looking forward for. For example, if you want to join a company who is looking for Java engineer or Java software developer, then definitely they will be looking for a person who is trained in Java. Now, please understand, there are many companies, multinational companies, large companies, mid-sized companies and small companies also. I would say that you have to join a multinational company only. You can also join a large or medium or small size company also. You can grab or you can get 2 years very good experience from these small or medium or large size companies, and then you can target the bigger organization. When most of these companies, the small, medium and large size companies, they do not look for what graduation you have done, whether you have done BA, whether you have done BSc or BCom or BTech. They only look forward for the technical skills, whether you have the technical skills or not, whether you are able to solve that issue or not. They will be looking for that thing only. And if you are able to show or if you are able to convince them with your skill, you will get that job. So my friend, make sure you are trained in that particular technical skill before applying for IT jobs. Now in my list, the second category is creative jobs. When I talk about creative jobs, I'm talking about designing, logo designing, animation, video editor, all these kind of very creative jobs. Now, for joining this creative industry, you have to learn some technical skills. Again, designing or creative skill, right? Creative skill, I would say logo designing, Illustrator, Corel Draw, Photoshop or Premiere Pro. These kind of applications you have to learn to join that particular industry. Now again, anybody can become a logo designer, a BA student, a BCom student, a BSc student, science student and a BTech student can also become a logo designer. Only thing is you have to learn that skill and you have to convince your employer or the interviewer that you are good in that particular skill. So creative industry or creative jobs are the second in my list. The third in my list is operations. Operations, I would say there are so many e-commerce companies, right? There are so many e-commerce companies, e-commerce giants. Now not only e-commerce companies, but any business, any company, they definitely need some people to run their day-to-day operations, day-to-day activities in their office. You can join that team. You can become an office administrator, you can become a warehouse administrator, you can become a supply chain administrator. You can join this operations team and you will be able to, you will be able to take care of all the day-to-day activities of an office. So that is the third category job that is I have kept in my list. Now the fourth category I would say is sales and marketing jobs. See, for becoming a sales guy or a marketing guy, you need any of this graduation, BA, BTech, BSc, any graduation. Only graduation is required. So you can become a sales executive. You can join the credit cards company, bank company, LIC, or real estate company. Any of these companies, builder company, and you can start promoting their products and services. But most of the time, the sales and marketing companies or teams, they require the person to work on the field. On the field, I mean to say, they should have a motorbike, they should have a bike, and they have to travel to a particular region, and they have to promote the products and services there. So sales and marketing is the next job category. Then the next job category, or I would say the fifth job category, is working in a BPO and a KPO, BPO or KPO. Now please understand, business process outsourcing or knowledge process outsourcing, BPO or KPO, these processes will have either voice process, semi-voice process, or non-voice processes. Now you can join any of these processes and you can start your career. Please understand, BPO, KPO jobs are also good jobs. They are in fact good jobs where you will be learning so many things. You will learn MS Office. You will learn many skills that these companies train their employees. So BPO, KPO, getting a job into a BPO and KPO is definitely depends on your communication skill and your fluency. So BPO, getting a job in BPO and KPO is also one of the career options or job options for a graduate, any graduate. Now the sixth career option or job option is working in a call center or in a customer service team. Now please understand, working in a call center where you will be taking calls or you will be making calls, inbound calls or outbound calls you will be doing. Now this is also a very good career option because you will learn how the calling industry works, and you will also, I can assure you, you will definitely improve your communication skills and also your fluency. That is how that call center industry works. It trains all their employees on the fluency. It trains their employees on communication skills. So you will be learning also. You'll be working at the same time. You will be earning your salary, earning your monthly salary. So working in a call center is the sixth career option in my list. The seventh career option is definitely the teaching profession. A graduate, BA, BSc, BCom or BTech, any graduate can definitely join a tuition agency, academy or a school or college, and they can start working as a teacher or a lecturer. Now becoming a teacher and lecturer is definitely a very prestigious profession. So after completing your graduation, you can also choose the teaching profession and you can start your teaching career. So these are the 7 career options or job options any graduate can choose, and they can start their career or they can start their real life. So if you like this video, click the like button. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Just search Sushmita Madhu and you will find me there. And the disclaimer thing. Now all these 7 career options or job options I have chosen or I have researched from different websites. These are not my just guessing kind of thing. I have researched many websites, many YouTube videos, many articles, many journals, and after that I have listed out these 7 career options or job options. If you disagree with this disclaimer, you can definitely comment below, my friend, and I will reply to you. And if you like my video, please keep watching my videos. If you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. This is Sushmita, and thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. Thank you and namaste.